gentlemen, welcome to Manchester Airport, where the local time is 11:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched off. All devices for messaging, calls or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please make sure you take all of your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when using the lockers, just in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a fantastic offer for you from our car rental partner Europcar. You will be entitled to 15% discount if you are renting a car here in Manchester Airport. If you've already booked your hire car for this trip, you will be entitled to a free upgrade or additional driver next time you book online at easyjet.com. Just ask a crew member for one of the vouchers when you get off the aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, we do realise you have a choice of airlines, and we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with easyJet today. It has been our pleasure having you on board. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to wish you a safe and a pleasant onward journey, and we look forward to seeing you on another easyJet flight in the very near future. Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and all the best for 2011, and we hope to see you flying with easyJet right through next year as well. Thank you and good afternoon. It's good morning still.